delicious. They can stop tasting. Good. Delicious, delicious. Okay. Okay, so now it's ready, thick and nice, but remember you have to keep stirring it occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Alright, okay, stay tuned for the continuation of what I'm going to do with it. Let's mix some strawberry sauce from frozen strawberry. Cook till tender. After cooling, then we're going to blend it. Hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. In a pot, the same pot, we're adding 3 tablespoons of butter and some other goodies. Let's pour the blended syrup, strawberry sauce syrup into the butter. Let's add some pure honey. Now that's a little bit of vanilla Madagascar vanilla syrup right here. Just a little bit that's left. I'm just adding it in here. Not a lot, it's optional, guys. Some paprika, not too much, smoked paprika, pumpkin spice, some vanilla, organic, cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, ginger, ground ginger. Let's open the container so we get the ginger. Yep. This is allspice. And we want to mix everything together. Let's see how it tastes right now. Let's add a little bit more honey to give it a little bit more sweeter flavor. We want to achieve a sweet, spicy type of flavor. So this is my homemade pepper sauce. It's not very strong. That's the pepper sauce. That sauce I made for wings and different things. Then we want to add a pinch of sea salt. So I'm going to measure it in my hands. Oops, sea salt. Let's see what's going on here. Now we want to cook it on slow to reduce the liquid so it could form like a thicker syrupy type of texture. Alright, so we want to slant the cover. The reason why I'm covering it is because it's going to bubble up and scatter all over. So once it's covered halfway, to allow air on the side so the moisture could escape. Alright, then I'll show you when it's complete. If it needs anything in terms of sweetness or so, I'll let you know. But we don't want it to be too sweet. Alright, we want a little texture of sweetness, a little texture of spiciness, and a little texture of the spices. This is quinoa. I'm making quinoa with coconut milk. There's the quinoa. It's coconut cream and kidney beans. Alright, I'm going to add some butter, 1 clove of garlic, and 2 sprigs of thyme. Now quinoa, according to the direction on the container, 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. Since I'm using the beans and the coconut cream, I will add 1 3/4 cups of water. So now let's wash the quinoa. I'm going to drain the floaters from here. See if we get some more floaters. We're going to use a strainer. Now I'll be cooking this, or I am cooking this in the rice cooker. Let's see. So now 1 3/4 cups of water. I have boiling water. Now we want to boiling water in here. So now we have the quinoa in here, the beans, coconut cream, thyme, the garlic, and we want to add a little bit of salt. So that's like I don't know what measurement is this, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then we cover and allow it to cook, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Cook with me, guys. A different way of exploring cooking. Making chicken thigh with strawberry homemade sauce. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to this amount of chicken. It's not a lot of chicken. 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Potato starch has a lower glycemic versus cornstarch, so we want to minimize any risk of elevating your glucose or insulin or diabetes too high. So this is what we do. Alright, so now I've coated the chicken with potato starch. We want to add a little bit of olive oil into the mix. Oops. Mix it up. As soon as you add the olive oil, the chicken becomes separated, not too sticky chicken oil from the oil. Alright. The other thing that I need to add is some garlic powder. Alright, so here's my garlic powder, a little sprinkle. Let's mix it again. Let's turn on the stove here on high to allow the pot to get hot. After it's hot enough, I'll lower down the flame. Once it's hot enough, then I'll add in the oil. Set aside. Let's add the oil. This is olive oil. That's what I have. The skillet is hot. Now I want to add the chicken. We want to cook the chicken not to burn, just to get a nice little golden color. I have 2 sprigs of thyme here. I'm going to add the thyme in there. You hear it cracking. I love that sound. Cover this a little to prevent splatter, and we'll load on the stove. See what's going on over. You see? It's really nice and crisp. No salt was added to the chicken because the ingredient that I'll be putting in here is already salty. Now I want to remove some of the oil from here. Chopped garlic. Just allow the garlic to get warm just to release the flavor before adding the other ingredients. This is a liquid seasoning. It's not same liquid seasoning right here. Just a little. With some teriyaki, just add in 2 tablespoons of strawberry sauce. smoked paprika, and chicken seasoning, a little dash of curry powder, red pepper flakes. Just a little. Let's move this around. Let's add some water. This is hot water. Now let's taste this for, let's see what it tastes like. And then I will add in some more spices if needed. Now I can add a little bit more of the liquid seasoning and a little bit more of the teriyaki. Let's swing this around. So delicious. Then we want to cover this and allow it to cook on low until the chicken is tender. Let's add some chopped cilantro. Video to this point, I thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bon appetit! Videos right here for you. Don't miss out on those delicious recipes.